Hi, Chef.
Hey.
So we are getting ready to film.
Yes, we are.
I'm excited about what you're about to film. I see some butter. I see rosemary, pepper, what else? Avocado. Wait, what is this over here? Extra virgin olive oil, English muffin, and the knife bag is open. When the knife bag is open, you know something is about to be sliced and diced. We got French Montana giving us some wonderful tunes. Ciao. Hi there, Chef.
What's up?
Say hi to everybody. It's been a while. We've missed you.
Hi everybody, how's it going?
So, Chef, tell us what we're making today.
We're gonna make sandwich, right?
Yes, we're making a sandwich. And what's so special about this sandwich, Chef?
Well, they used to be made with eggs and cheese and turkey bacon, right?
Yes.
Well, since we're not eating any of those anymore, I had to change it up a little bit. So we're gonna do mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, avocados, and see what happens.
I'm really excited. This used to be my favorite sandwich, y'all. I love this sandwich because when I met Chef Ed, this was the first dish he ever made me, and it blew me away. So now that we've stopped eating meat, Ed is gonna what's the word? Recreate it. We'll see. I'm looking forward to it. So we have mushrooms and garlic.
We're gonna get a nice sear on these. Char the garlic so it gives it an even deeper flavor. A little bit more oil.
What is that?
That's our chili. We're gonna just put that there to give some heat to our mushroom.
So right now we have mushrooms, garlic, and
Mixing with the oil. Now we're gonna add our fresh herbs. For this one we're going to use some rosemary. We're going to add some salt. Turn the heat back up a little. These are ready, but we're going to just let them go for another minute before we pull them off.
hi, Chef. So how much olive oil is that? Like a tablespoon?
Yes.
Okay. And that's garlic.
Like crushed garlic. So we're using the same pan that we cooked the mushrooms in, so that way we're not dirtying up a lot of pans, and we're making this a one-pan dish.
Don't make me laugh. Otherwise you get like shaky stuff.
We're going to add our tomatoes because we're making a quick little relish. Fresh thyme. Also, we want to keep that bright yellow color.
I love the color.
Yeah. So we'll transfer this to our container. We'll do it over here. You know, chunky. So we'll have a nice, you know, mix of tomato, which is great because it's for our sandwich.
We have English muffins laid out. Hi, English muffins. Okay, what are you doing?
Just rubbing some vegan butter on the English muffin before we put them in the oven under the broiler.
Okay, so sir, you said vegan butter. Now, are we promoting that butter because we love it? Because we've tried several brands and we're not so happy about some, but this one I think
it's the closest flavor
aha,
to butter.
it really is, and our kids love it.
I'm not super happy on the salt content,
Okay.
but if they could make one without salt, that would be great, or at least half the salt.
Okay, so you're talking to the creative director, owner of this company.
Earth Balance. I love it, but I want less salt.
Less salt. Thank you, Earth Balance. So, chef, you're lining it up nice. You already put butter on it, or vegan butter. We love this one. And now, oh, let me see that. I missed that. I'm sorry. Right in the oven. Chef, you're holding that knife kind of scary. That's my favorite part. The scoopy room. Look how perfect it's
Nice little toasted corners.
so pretty.
Let's assemble this guy.
Before you assemble, let me make sure you have all the lights.
Yeah, I think we're good, right?
Right now, chef is placing the mushrooms. So beautiful. That color is gorgeous on them.
Thanks.
So, chef, what do you have here?
This is pea shoots. They're like micro pea greens. So it's all the flavor of peas, but in these delicate shoots.
Nice.
Yeah.
Boop.
Alright, it's for you.
Thank you. I can't wait to eat it.